Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make money online without showing your face. Okay? Most people are making money online without showing their face, and most people still don't understand how this actually works. This isn't a scam, and it is not becoming famous on social media. It's about understanding how online platforms really reward content. Many people believe that making money online means you need followers, a fancy camera, or years of experience. Because this belief, they never even try. But the truth is, platforms like YouTube don't pay for personalities or faces. They pay for watch time and value. Today, a lot of creators run faceless YouTube channel using sample system. They use AI tools to write scripts, stocks, or royalties free videos for visual and AI voiceover or basic editing software to put everything together. No filming, no personal exposure are required. So, these channels usually focus on topics like financial education, online income, business, or motivation. When a video keeps people watching, YouTube pushes it to some more viewers. As traffic grows, monetization comes from ad affiliates offer or digital products. This is not a get rich quick method. It's a skill based on system. And like any real system, it requires learning, consistency, and structure. Random video don't works. What work is following a clear process. I personally learned this through a structured training that explained everything step by step from choosing a niche to automation and monetization. Having a clear roadmap makes a huge difference, especially for beginners. If you want to understand how this system works and decide if it's right for you, I've shared the resource I use in the description below. Take your time, review it carefully, and focus on learning real financial education. Financial education is about learning system, not chasing shortcuts. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more realistic and practical way to build income online.